All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my 2024 Model Y long range. I did a video a couple weeks ago where I showed the PPF job, that it wasn't perfect. There is some imperfections in it, but I did it myself. One thing I'm going to do to kind of like finalize the PPF job, the exterior of this, I'm going to put this spoiler on. Big shout out to EVBase. They partnered with us for this video here. This is a really cool matte carbon fiber spoiler, and it fits right here on the back of the car. Just got 3M double-sided tape all along the inside of this, and this is just going to fit on just like that. Fits on really nice. I think it gives it a really cool look. And then we're also, after this, we're going to install the Tesla letters. We've got some black Tesla letters, so instead of putting back the Tesla T, the chrome one. So this spoiler, it comes with like an installation kit. Installation of these are super simple. The hardest part is just getting it lined up evenly on both sides. But we've got a couple prep pads here. We've got some stickers we're going to put on. All right, so we want to get it even on each side. We just want to measure. If you just get a tape measure and just kind of measure, I've got it at about 6 inches on each side. So if you have one side that's a little bit longer, just kind of adjust it so it's even. A little sticker here, we just put this on to show where it's going to line up, where it's even, because we're going to take this off. Just going to prep this. Just rub this down with like some rubbing alcohol. There is a prep pad that it comes with, like an adhesion promoter. We'll wipe that on here, and then we can just take the tape off and secure it on. Here I'm just rubbing on the adhesion promoter onto the area. All right, you can see here how that's the outline of where we want it to go. I just peeled off the adhesive protector here. I'm just going to get this started here. All right, so I want to get this side on. Go ahead and press against your side there. And then you want to hold it, ideally if you can do 30 seconds, you just want to hold against this to make sure you have it all the way flat against the deck lid here. Pretty easy to do. It's pretty easy to line up. Just get it lined up before you start pressing it down. It's nice and secured on there. It looks really good. I'm going to take this tape off here. So one thing I showed when I was putting the PPF on, the PPF for this top deck lid is a separate piece than this bottom part of the trunk, and so there's a seam all along right around the lip of the, I don't know if that can be seen on camera or not. It's very faint, it's hard to see, but this is going to help kind of protect that seam all the way across, protect the paint, the little bit of paint that is exposed, and help it prevent from like coming up. So, but I think it really looks really good as well. That matte carbon looks really awesome, especially this is the stealth gray color. Looks really good. So with the spoiler on, now we're going to do these Tesla letters here. I think this is a really cool way to have the Tesla badge on the back. They're black, it's subtle, it's not chrome, and I think it looks cool, like spelled out. That's kind of how like the new Model 3 refresh is. They've got the spelled out letters. These are pretty cheap to do as well. Really what I want to do is I want to center, see there's a little notch in here. I just need to get that in the center area. I want to do it like right across. There's kind of a flat area right through here that's going to go on. I've seen some people do them like really low like that. I don't know if I like it right there. I think I like it like right like that. So I'm just going to get this, I'm just going to put some rubbing alcohol here just to like get any grease, any fingerprints off right there. And then this comes with a nice template, so it's easy to put on once we find the center area. So way to find the middle, I'm just measuring it. It's exactly 32 inches from these two sides here. I'm going 16 inches right here on this point. So just going to line that up, and not only getting it centered, but we also want to get it leveled side to side as well. I got it about where I think is in the middle. Let's just take this all off here. Just removing this adhesive backing here, so see how they're just, I want to go right there. I'm pulling on the edge just because it was folded up, so I want to make sure that it's kind of just eyeballing it here. I think right there is the spot. Okay, so I just want to go through and just press down each letter really firmly. There's a clear protective film over the letters, so you can easily press them down, run your finger over it, and then All right, I got all these pressed down. I'm just going to remove this top, this clear piece here. And then I can remove the foam template. So guys, these are 2 easy modifications to do. This probably took me under 10 minutes to do both of these. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. This is a great looking kind of addition to the back of the spoiler. It makes it look like a performance. This is a long range version, but this spoiler makes it look like a performance model. And the carbon fiber has a really nice weave to it. And then this Tesla badge here looks really cool. So this is a kind of a way to get your car to stand out a little bit. Guys, big shout out to EVBase for partnering with us for the spoiler. See the link down below. Use my link for a 20% discount. Guys, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.